Hello, today we would like to demonstrate how you can see your personal Telegram ID. So first of all, open your Telegram and search for the raw data bot. Here is it, raw data bot. The username of this bot is raw_data_bot. And in here, once you start it, it states your ID at the bottom of the message that it sends to you. So in my case, my personal ID is 61860989979, and there is no active subscription on my channel. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.